Hi everyone. I made you a little video helping you to review for the midterm. And when I made the video, I don't want to have to redo it because I've already sent it out, or already posted it. But when I made it, I was looking for these questions called Check Your Understanding questions, and I don't know how I missed them, but let me show you where they are, because there are also questions that you can do once you have read a section. Like, for example, okay, I'm in the e-text. Okay, so I went over here to the table of contents, found chapter 17, and now I have moved to section 17.1, and let's see, how do you get to them then? Let me try 17.2. Okay, 17.1 did not have these questions in it. So for every section, scroll to the end of that section and look at the Check Your Understanding questions. Those also might be found on the midterm or final exam. So what I told you to study was, like, go to the study area and do the quizzes and the practice test within the study area for each chapter, and also to go to the end of the chapter and do the level 1 questions at the end of the chapter, because you can find the answers to those in the appendix. But what I'm also telling you is there are 2 questions at the end of most sections in each chapter. And the reason I missed them the first time is because section 17.1 didn't have them, but section 17.2 does and 17.3 does. So any of the Check Your Understanding questions, I wanted to show you those as well. Those are also good for reviewing for the midterm and the final. So let's just do these since I'm already making this video. What is the hematocrit? And the hematocrit is defined as the percentage of whole blood made up of red blood cells. But let's choose a wrong answer and submit and see what happens. It says that's incorrect, and it tells you, it gives you a little information, and then you can try again, and it'll tell you that it's correct and gives you a little information for you to read down here. Don't forget to read the information that's given also. And then number 2, identify the most numerous formed elements in the blood. And we know they're red blood cells, but for this question, you also have to know the name of red blood cells are erythrocytes. So let's see if they have these at the end of section 17.3. I'll just do chapter 17 and then you do the same. Yes, they do. Okay. Check Your Understanding questions are at the end of 17.3 and then 17.4. So most of these sections are going to have Check Your Understanding questions. Okay? And we'll do these. Which leukocyte kills parasitic worms by releasing enzymes from cytoplasmic granules? And those are eosinophils. And then in this next question, you have to know what the white blood cells look like. The leukocytes, or white blood cells. It says, select the leukocyte that is abundant in lymph nodes and plays a vital role in immunity. I'm not sure I know this one. I think it's A, because that's a lymphocyte, so I'm pretty sure it's A. Okay, it says that's correct. Lymphocytes mount immune responses in lymph nodes and other lymphoid tissues. These agranular leukocytes have a large spherical nucleus. In fact, I'll point it out to you. The nucleus is the darker purple. This whole area here is the nucleus. And then this shows you just a little bit of the cytoplasm of this lymphocyte. So the nucleus almost takes up the entire cytoplasm of that lymphocyte. And that's it. I just wanted you guys to know that these questions exist. I just wanted to add to what I had given you to study for the midterm.